Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and yesterday we took a look at the post-war German Bundeswehr MG3 on the table. We took a look at its history, its mechanics, how it works, where it came from, what it was supposed to do, how it differs from the MG42, which it does in a small number of subtle but relevant ways. Today, I am taking it out to the range to actually do some live fire shooting with it, which is a fantastically cool opportunity that is basically only possible because the guys at Morphe's are pretty awesome. However, for whatever reasons it has, YouTube decided it was not willing to let me put that one up. It was okay with a bunch of the other videos from the range videos from that trip, but the MG3 was apparently a step too far. So today's MG3 live fire video is over on Utreon. The whole thing is over there. If you'd like to see it, I have a link down in the description text below. Utreon is free to view. If you want to subscribe over there, it is available at a higher resolution and without any pre-roll stuff, but you can go watch for free. Utreon is in every way better for creators than YouTube, with the sole exception that it does not have the viewer base, yet perhaps, that YouTube does. So sorry about the inconvenience, but if you want to see it somewhere on a platform that doesn't actively work against its creators, Utreon is the solution for you, and I will see you over there. If you're not interested, I understand. We'll be back on Monday with the next regularly scheduled Forgotten Weapons video. Thanks.